Hey guys, coming at you this week with some tips around barbecue sauce. Barbecue is one of those traditional, delicious summer things that we typically throw on the grill, but barbecue sauce is so versatile and a great condiment to sort of have on hand. Most of the barbecue sauces on the market are full of garbage, so we're going to talk a little bit today about what you should be looking for when you're buying one. These are two brands that I love. This one comes from Trader Joe's, and Stubbs is another one that you can find in most grocery stores. Now, what we're looking for on the back ingredient label, again, we're not looking at the nutritional label, but more the ingredient label, is simple ingredients. You're not going to get away from added sugar and barbecue sauce. It's going to be one of the first ingredients, but you can look for simplicity of ingredients and unrefined sugars, so things like brown sugar or cane sugar as opposed to corn syrup or high fructose corn syrup. So I'm looking here and I see lots of I see hickory smoke, I see lots of good spices, tomato puree, paprika, chipotle powder, all types of really good clean ingredients. Again, you're not going to get away from the sugar, but I'm not seeing any high fructose corn syrup or corn syrup listed in this label. Now I'm going to take a look at the Stubbs label. Same thing, tomato puree, vinegar, sugar, molasses, which is another fine sweetener to have in there. Now this one does have guar gum, which is a thickener, which is a little weird, but it is lower on the list. So when you're thinking about looking at an ingredient label, the ingredients that are listed first are abundant. There are more of them, and those that are listed toward the end are fewer. There is less of them. So guar gum is down toward the end, but there are some added thickeners in this one. Compared to what's in most of them on the market, these two are great. So interested to know what you guys find and what you learn in your hunt for barbecue sauce. Hope that's helpful. Happy cooking.